Hello everyone. Let us see the performance of Bank Nifty with Blink indicator this week. तो मैं आपको इस पूरे वीक का ब्लिंक इंडिकेटर के साथ बैंक निफ्टी में परफॉर्मेंस शो कर देती हूँ. ये आप डेट देख सकते हो 23 दिसंबर. और यहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी में मैंने जो टाइम फ्रेम यूज़ किया है वो है 5 मिनट्स. अगर आप बैंक निफ्टी या निफ्टी के फ्यूचर में ट्रेड कर रहे हो सो 5 मिनट टाइम इज़ अ गुड टाइम फ्रेम टू ट्रेड with blink indicator. So let us see the trades generated by blink indicator this week. On 23rd of December at 9:25 we get a signal from blink indicator on buy side. Okay, तो ये 50,936 पे हमारा बाय साइड का सिग्नल जनरेट हुआ था, जिसकी पोजीशन क्लोज हुई है अराउंड 51,264. So you can see here movement of around 300 points in Bank Nifty. The movement was from 9:15 and it got closed on 23rd of December at 12:45 p.m. Again there was a short signal at 12:40, and this signal was from 51 to 64, which got closed in giving buy side signal on 24th December at 51 to 62. So this position was closed on break even. मतलब आपका इस पोजीशन पे लॉस नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका सेल जो आया था वो 51 टू 64 पे आया था और ये पोजीशन होती है क्लोज 51 टू 62 पे. Again when there was a buy signal, then you can take trade here from here for buy signal at the signal was generated on 24th December at 12:40, and which got closed giving a sell signal at 51,866. तो ये भी आपको बहुत ही अच्छा मूवमेंट देता है अराउंड 6 to 600 पॉइंट्स का. ओके, तो इसके बाद अपन आगे की ट्रेड चेक कर लेते हैं. जो शॉर्ट सिग्नल जनरेट हुआ था वो 51,866 पे जनरेट हुआ था, और ये पोजीशन अपनी जो क्लोज हुई है वो अगेन क्लोज हुई है 51,557 पे. सो इट वॉज गुड मूव, अगेन अ गुड मूवमेंट बाय द इंडिकेटर ऑफ अराउंड 400 पॉइंट्स, गिविंग यू अ बाय सिग्नल and closing the position of 400 points. Again if you see, there was when there was a buy signal at 51,557 on 26th December at 3:25 p.m. So this was also a very good movement catched by the indicator. You can see the short signal getting closed ऑफ अराउंड 15,847. तो यहाँ पे भी आपकी आराम से 300 to 350 पॉइंट्स की बुकिंग हो जाएगी. नाउ दिस वॉज अ चार्ट ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर इफ यू ट्रेड इन बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर. Similarly, you can take the same trades in Bank Nifty options. When the signal is generated for buy position, you can take trade in call chart, and when you get short signal in Bank Nifty future, you can go for put trades. Okay, so just let me show you some trades in Bank Nifty options. From here you can select the current expiry of Bank Nifty, and I will suggest you to trade in ATM prices. So let us go for 51,300. Now when you trade in Bank Nifty option, I would always suggest you to go for 3 minutes time frame. Now here see, whenever you get a buy signal in your options trading, you get a signal of buy. So let us see the profit booking with software in options trading. Here you can see a buy signal at 1049 and sell signal at 1244. So here was a good profit booking of 200 points. Okay. With indicator you also get a stop loss, but that stop loss is very short. Okay. Let me show you the stop loss also. Like when you are seeing here buy position at 1129 and the short position was created at 1105. So it is giving you a stop loss of around 25 to 30 points. Okay. So whenever you trade with the indicator, you will get very good profit booking, and your stop loss will be very small. And for updates you can also join my Telegram channel, where I put all the updates of the indicator on daily basis. Join your trading with Blink indicator. You will make your trading very easy. Just you have to follow is buy and sell signal and trade accordingly.